Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one. Today I got the Fire Stick 4K TV edition. As you can see, I'm doing an unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the remote looks like. It looks pretty good, sleek, smooth. It looks clean overall. And to top it all off, we have all of this equipped with Alexa, 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Dolby Vision Atmos, quad core, and a volume rocker this time. And most people want to know, is this worth upgrading? How much is it worth upgrading? So at the time of making this video, the price is now $34.99. It's actually on a special, but as you can see, the original price is $49.99. So if you have the money, definitely go ahead and grab it up. If you want it for a Christmas present, definitely go ahead and grab it up before the price goes up. So you may be asking yourself, why should I get this device? I know it has 4K, but what else does it have? So this thing not only has 4K, it has a brand new built-in Wi-Fi antenna, giving you a much better experience, giving you that good 4K quality, also giving you a lot less buffering. So if you're in a home, a big home, and your Wi-Fi is on the first floor, second floor, wherever it may be, it'll give you a much stronger signal, which will also translate into less buffering for you. This is also equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, which will give you a longer range for your remote. And also, if you want to use Bluetooth headphones while you're listening to your Fire Stick, that way you won't disturb anybody at late nights. You can also use your Bluetooth headphones from a farther distance as well. And speaking of the remote, the shiny piece on the top is actually an IR blaster, which will give you the ability to control your soundbar, the volume to your soundbar, the power to your TV on and off, and the volume. Another key feature is the quad-core 1.7 GHz processor in this Fire Stick. This is going to make your Fire Stick blazing fast, much faster than the older second generation Fire Stick. The speeds, they're actually maybe 1 or 2 seconds faster, but it's definitely a great improvement. So far so good. There's not much that you can really dislike about this device. It's pretty much the same Fire Stick that you already have, but 20 times better. So I will unwrap this, and then I'll also go ahead and plug this up, and I'll show you the setup process. But before I do that, I do want to go and show you a side-by-side comparison of the old Fire Stick and the newer 4K Fire Stick. So as you can see, they're side-by-side right now. The 4K Fire Stick is clearly bigger than the old generation. The remote, the one on the left, has the IR blaster, which is the 4K edition, the shiny top. Disregard the Fire Stick on the right, and to explain that Fire Stick, my dog actually chewed it up. That would explain why it looks the way it does. As for the HDMIs, the 4K Fire Stick clearly has a smaller HDMI, and the older one is thicker. So I now have my Fire Stick plugged into my TV. I'm going to walk you through the setup process. So the first thing we do is hold down our home button to link our remote to our TV and the Fire Stick itself, and we'll click the play button to start. We'll select our language that we would like to view. It's going to scan for your Wi-Fi, and go ahead and type in your password and connect it. And the first thing it did for me is check for updates, so I began to download those updates. It does it automatically, and you'll just let it load and run its course. Once it's done, it should restart. Once the device does come back up, you'll be then prompted to enable parental controls. Go ahead and enable if you have children. If not, go ahead and proceed and click no. This next part will be configuring our remote to be enabled to work for the volume up and down. So this part, it wants us to hit next. Please make sure that the volume is turned up so you can hear music, to continue to test your TV to make sure you can hear the sound. So it wants us to go up and down, or the plus and minus on the remote. Let's go ahead and test it. Alright, so as you can see right out of the box, right away I hit the up for the volume, and it's working right away. So the way we confirm those settings, we'll just click on yes. Now the remote has been successfully set up, and now we can proceed. Click on OK. You'll be greeted with a quick video. Just go ahead and go through the process, enjoy the setup. We should be almost done. As for those who aren't familiar with what a Fire Stick can do, you can watch your Netflix, Prime Video, you can install multiple apps to view certain types of content like HBO, Showtime, Hulu. You can also install third-party add-ons to deliver movies, TV shows, live TV, and also sports. And as for the best feature of them all, you can control everything through the Alexa voice control. As for a quick speed test, I'm going to go ahead and click on Prime Video, click on a few movies just to see how fast I can get in and out of a movie. Alright, so here's Medea's Boo Halloween Part 2. Jumps right in. Due to copyright infringement, I'm going to go ahead and blur the screen. Alright, so I backed out of that. I'm going to go to a different movie. Alright, Daddy's Home 2. Let's click on that. Once again, right away, jumps right into the movie, and I'm gonna go ahead and back out of that. So this is the Fire TV Stick 4K edition. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be on the lookout for a new video explaining a few features that you may not know about. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.